Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please share these videos. It's very helpful to everyone. Today is Friday. It's the day of the Idealist personality. And the Idealist is all about thinking positively. Thinking positively. Looking on the bright side. Very, very important, especially on Fridays. Let's hear what the spiritual idealist, the Dalai Lama, has to say about positive and negative emotions. What is the demarcation between negative and positive emotions? There is no absolute demarcation, but a relative one. Those emotions such as compassion, love, and wisdom that produce a happiness more subtle, more permanent, lasting, and satisfactory are positive. That is because we consider happiness as something good and something we must achieve. Everything that can help in that direction we consider positive. These positive emotions ultimately transform us into happier persons, more reliable and trustworthy. That is so because they are good, although we cannot identify them as such in the absolute sense. Everybody appreciates them on the conventional level, and therefore these are positive emotions. Although positive and negative emotions are both equally powerful, the negative emotions usually occur without much reason and are really just an emotion. If we objectively examine the value of anger, hatred, jealousy, doubt, suspicion, or fear, we see that there is no profound basis for such emotions. On the other hand, love, compassion, and forgiveness have more profound bases or reasons. From a Buddhist viewpoint, especially the viewpoint of Madhyamika philosophy, these negative emotions are ultimately based on ignorance. These negative emotions are mostly based on ignorance. So today, friends, on this Friday, no matter what's going on, no matter how bad things are, stay positive. Stay positive, folks. Very, very important. Especially if you happen to be an idealist spiritually. But even so, we can all be a little bit more positive every Friday.